How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing a POV driving video with this 2023 Toyota Prius Prime XSE. I just did the review on it and actually taking it back out from Sandstone Toyota's lot. Just want to give them a quick shout out. Sandstone Toyota over on Route 1 North in Avenel, New Jersey. If you're in the tri-state area and you're in the market for a new or a used Toyota such as this one is a used one, obviously 2023 model year, definitely be sure to check them out. The link to their website is going to be down in the description. I've worked with them plenty of times in the past, and they have let me film a lot of their cars, so definitely really appreciate that for the channel. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about my overall driving feeling, you know, while being in it. Obviously show you guys the interior, which I think is very, very nice. This one is finished off with like the black base with the red accents, and I talked about this kind of beam in the review, but I really, really like it. And also with these seats, they're comfortable, but they also kind of hold you in place, and they do have the red accents kind of like on the shoulders of the seats there. Now, yes, I do know all my crap is kind of right here, but that's pretty much my notes, my camera, because I just did the review on it. So again, if you're someone that's maybe new to my channel and you want more of the specs for this 2023 Prius Prime, go over there, look at the review first, and then kind of come back here. But if you're just looking for someone to have an opinion and just see how the interior looks, this is the video for you. Now, talking about the interior, this is the 12.3 inch infotainment touchscreen display. This actually did not come standard, I believe, with this here Prius. I believe they came standard with the 8-inch infotainment system. However, this 12.3 inch one is essentially the same one that is in most of the new Toyota models. I just did a review on a 2025 Camry that had a 12.3 inch screen, as well as the 2024 Toyota Crown that I did a review on as well. I don't know if that's going to be public before or after this video goes public on my channel, but I'm just letting you guys know. This 12.3 inch screen pretty much comes in all of the new Toyota models. Now, this one also did, even though it is a 2023 model year, and it's a little bit older now, I guess, coming up on 2 years old, it still does have the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 kind of system in it. So there's plenty of different things. I mean, even while I've been driving the different Toyotas, with this one specifically, like if I just pull out a little bit too much and someone's passing by, there will be kind of like a pre-collision alert that comes up and beeps a little bit. And also, if you drive it without your seatbelt, it literally takes like 15 to 30 seconds to start just beeping nonstop, which is very annoying. But at the end of the day, that is something that works and gets people to put on their seatbelts and do what they're actually supposed to be doing while they're behind the wheel of a car. And also, I do have to apologize. I know I kind of had the AC blasting towards the beginning of this video. I don't know if that's going to mess up the audio at all, but it definitely is going to be a shorter video, and I'm kind of keeping the AC on low for now, because right now, if you can actually see, the temp thing says 108 degrees. It's not 108 degrees, but it is like 96 here in New Jersey today. It is so freaking hot. And yeah, while I was literally just talking about the temperature and how hot it is, the GoPro actually overheated on me. So I'm gonna try to wrap this up quickly. I want to tell you guys just a little bit more about it. This new Prius, it is a plug-in. I love the new generation. I believe the generational code is the XW60. It's the 5th gen, and this essentially is the new Prius that got a lot of people in the car world talking. I love, love, love the design. Yes, it is a POV driving video, but I might put some B-roll of the exterior over me talking, just so you guys can see what it looks like on the outside. Yeah, it's great, great car. This one is finished off in like the metallic silver paint color. And honestly, the couple times when I took it on the highway during the review, and hopefully we can get to the highway in this video without the GoPro completely crapping out on me, but the couple times that I did take it on the highway and punch it, going back to the dealership, it kind of feels good. It feels really damn good for something that's, you know, just a Prius or whatever. Now, yes, this one, it makes like around like 220 horsepower. I think the internal combustion engine in it without the hybrid system makes only like 150, but with the hybrid system, it's a little bit over 200. And considering that it weighs like, I think a little over 3,500 pounds. Again, I have my notes here and I'm not look, and I'm just kind of going off memory right now, but I think it's a little bit over 3,500 pounds for its curb weight. It's not that bad, especially considering that it's a hybrid. A lot of times with your EVs, your hybrid vehicles, they are absolute pigs. They weigh so much because of all the different components for those electric motors. But since this one is a Prius, it's smaller. Yes, 3,500 is still kind of heavy for the body size of this Prius, but it's really not that bad. So that 220 horsepower kind of gets you going rather quickly, and on top of that, the instantaneous torque that you get from the electric, hybrid system. And also, while we're just sitting at this light, I know I have the AC blasting. I might just turn it down a tad so I can talk to you guys at a reasonable volume. But I do want to talk about a quick con that I have about this new Prius Prime. Now, first off, I love the key. I really love the key. I like the little logo there. It's essentially standard. Here's also a key to a crown. It's kind of like the same design. Yes, that one says Crown, this one says Prius, but nothing too crazy there, but I do like it. Now, for the crown and for the Camry that I also did a review on, the Camry had a wireless charging pad for your phone up here. The crown actually had a really cool design. It was like a little slot in right here with two little things that held your phone in. This one, for its wireless charging, kind of has this little thing right here, and unless I'm doing it wrong, I see that I have the power on. You can actually turn it off, but I do have it on. I have that green light, and my phone, you can see, is at 67%. And yeah, I just can't really find a way to make it work. Maybe it's just my phone, maybe it's the case that my phone is in, but all the other ones, like the Camry and the Toyota Crown, those designs worked. So I don't really like this wireless phone charging design, but now, yep, the GoPro is still going good. You guys haven't overheated on me. It's now doing one little pull and then finishing this video. See how it just pulls you back in the seat with that electric power initially, and then that internal combustion engine helps kind of deliver, basically just keep delivering the power all the way throughout the power band, and it just feels very good. For a Prius, it feels awesome. And I know people have been kind of ranting and raving about this car ever since the fall of 2022 when Toyota announced that they were coming out with this new generation Prius, and people saw what it looked like, and then people saw some of the different numbers or whatever for it. And yeah, I have to say they were not wrong. The hype definitely was real surrounding this new 5th generation of the Toyota Prius. I can't wait to see what Toyota does in the future with this specific generation of the Prius. And who knows, hopefully they'll come out with a more performance-based trim or something in the future. But anyways, that's pretty much just gonna wrap it up for me today. Again, definitely be sure to check out Sandstone Toyota, Route 1 North, Avenel, New Jersey. Pulling back into their lot now, putting the Prius back where it's supposed to be. But yeah, they've let me do so many cars in the past for the channel, so I really appreciate them. And also, if you stuck to the end of the video, definitely be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It's absolutely free. It helps me out a ton. But like always, I hope you all have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.